What's up, everybody? You already know who it is. Your boy, RJ Randy J in the building. Once again. Woo, me and your friends. But check it out, though. Let's get into this car wash video. I'm going to show y'all how I wash my car. I did have a cleaning video, but I don't know where that video went. I lost it. Whatever, though. But check it out. Let's get into it. I haven't washed this car in 2 weeks. You can't. Oh yeah, look at that. Ooh, neglect. Look at that. The bird said, I'm just gonna poop all on your car. Cause why? It's dirty. So let's get into this wash video. And yeah, let's get it. All right, so I got my 3 buckets. So we're gonna use this bucket here to wash the wheels. We're gonna use this bucket as a rinse bucket. We're gonna use this bucket to wash the car with. Oh man, you know what? I need to do that back to black because it's looking real ashy right there. Maybe I'll put some lotion on there and see what's up, but nah, we'll do that next time. You know, right now we're just gonna get it washed because it looks like it's gonna rain. These clouds are bundling up right now. So let's get into this. So basically what I'm using is I got some of this chemical, guys. I want to try this out, so I bought this. Normally I use some other stuff like Meguiar's and stuff like that, and then we're gonna use this chromatic wax. We're gonna do a little differently than what they say, so we'll see how it comes out when like, mind you, I haven't washed this car in 2 weeks, so I have some of this stuff on it. So we're gonna see when the water hits it, we're gonna see how it looks. So we're gonna see if it held up for 2 weeks, but I doubt it. We'll see if it beads up. And I got some new wash racks and dry off racks, or whatever you want to call it, microfiber towels. But I'm basically gonna wash the car with these because they new, and not with this because look at this. We're gonna use this for the wheels. Look at all that debris in there. So nasty. Let's roll it. It's actually beating up, y'all. Look at that. So actually that stuff did work. Like I said, I haven't washed my car in 2 weeks, y'all. 2 weeks. And this is the way it's looking. It's beating up already. I got a rag for every panel. Every panel. Alright, y'all, so as y'all can see is that I use this towel to do the whole side panel right here. The whole side panel. Even the glass, I use the glass too. Because right now, I'm gonna go back over it with a dry towel. So, I'm probably gonna use this wet towel for the whole car. And then we're gonna go back over it with a dry towel. You even see when I use the rag on the windows. I use it on the windows because, well, I didn't spray the product on this, but I use it to wipe the windows also. You see it left these little marks there when it dry, little dryer marks, but that's all right. Once we come back around with the regular towel, it's gonna be fire. Watch But yeah, the reason why I didn't go with the directions on the bottle about that, you know, you're supposed to rinse that stuff off. I didn't want to do it that way. I wanted to wipe it down. I felt that, you know, yeah, you spray it on there, but rinsing it off, what is that going to do? You know, if you at least wipe it, it's like kind of like a wax. You know what I mean? You wipe the wax into the paint. So that's what I did. And it looks good. Came out good. Like you can see from the, when I watered it, originally watered it, I can't even talk. It was already beaten off, and I haven't washed the car in 2 weeks. And look at it now. Woo, fresh. But that's the end of that video, y'all. I'll see y'all on the next one. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Yeah, peace.